Hello everyone, Habibi here. In my previous video, I was creating this. I was adding this drop-down menu to our Unity game, and I did some coding to automatically add those items here in this Unity scene as drop-down menu items. But we cannot click any of them. Nothing happens when we click those options. That's why I make this video. So in this video I'm going to write some code. So if we click, for example, this CCTV cam 005, if I click it, this camera, the game should activate the CCTV cam number 5. So let's edit the script. Here is our script, and I'm going to edit the script. To execute some function after changing the value of option or the drop down menu, we need to do something like call delegate. I don't know. Here is the documentation. You check or you Google this topic, dropdown dot onValueChanged. Then you will you will see this documentation page, and I will copy this part. onValueChanged dot add listener delegate dropdown. Let's just copy these lines. I paste it here. Don't forget to change this variable name with our own drop down menu. Then we need to create this what do you call it, the function void. Just copy this part and paste it here. Yeah, void drop down value change, and I'm going to delete this one, and let's just replace it with this line, debug.log with a current value selected plus change. Alright guys, let's go back to our Unity editor. I'm going to click the play button. Okay, let's clear this console window, and I'm going to try to click one of these options. For example, this cam 007. What we see here is current value selected. That's not what I wanted. I forgot this part, guys. Change dot value. So I need to show what is the value of the option. Change dot value. Oh, I forgot to stop the game. Yeah, change dot value, and I will try to run it again. Alright, I'm going to select this one, 009. What we will see here, current value selected 4, and yeah, the value is the number of index of the list that we assign to the drop down, and also because we add the list exactly at the same time for the drop down options and also for the CCTVs, the number of the index of both of them are same. So what we will do when the drop-down value is changed, what we will do is to call this show camera function. I call it here, but before I call this function, I need to change the value of current cam here. The value of current cam here should be the value of this drop down change.value, this way. Very simple. Let's go back to our Unity editor and I'm going to play it. Alright guys, right now we are on cam 5, camera 5. This one is 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 5 again. Okay, this is a switch button, and let's try the drop down menu. We are on camera 8. I need to switch to camera 7. You see there, it is changed to camera 7, and I'm going to change it to CCTV cam 009. Now it is cam 9. By having this drop down menu, we can jump between CCTV cameras without going one by one like this. So if we are on the cam 5, we can go to 8 directly. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next videos. Bye bye.